If you are trying to grow a brand, a business, or a personal channel right now, you already know the brutal truth. The content treadmill is exhausting. You're told you need long form videos for your YouTube, articles for your site, posts for your LinkedIn, and you somehow also need to feed the short form video monster every single day. If you're trying to create completely original YouTube shorts every single week while also running your business and managing your team, you will inevitably burn out. But what if I told you the fastest way to make YouTube shorts has absolutely nothing to do with shooting new footage? In this video, we are breaking down a content repurposing strategy that turns shorts from a time-sucking chore to the ultimate multi-channel growth engine for your brand. We're talking about how to create once, distribute everywhere, and use shorts as a literal discovery engine for your entire ecosystem. Let's dive in. To understand why we need to make shorts fast, we need to understand how people actually consume them. There's a common misconception that YouTube shorts are just a casual distraction and that people who watch YouTube shorts never cross over into long form content. But the data tells a completely different story. So 74% of all YouTube shorts views come from non-subscribers, and channels that consistently post a combination of short and long form content grow 71% faster in subscribers than channels that just stick to one format. So think of it this way. YouTube shorts are the modern storefront of your channel. They act as a massive algorithmic discovery engine. So let's think a little bit about how traditional YouTube works. A viewer has to see your thumbnail, read your title, and actively decide if they want to give you 5, 10, maybe even 20 minutes of their life. That is a big commitment for someone who doesn't know who you are. Shorts completely eliminates that friction. The algorithm pushes your content directly into the feeds of millions of people based directly on their interests. They don't need to know who you are to see the best 45 seconds that you have to offer. Once they get a taste of your value in shorts, a significant percentage of those will click through to your profile, they'll find the full-length video, your website, your podcast, any other content you have to offer. It is top of funnel awareness on autopilot. Here is where the magic happens for lean marketing teams and solo creators. If you are not a big media company with a 20-person editing department at your disposal, efficiency is your survival metric. You cannot afford to spend multiple hours creating bespoke content for every single platform. The strategy we're talking about here is create once, distribute everywhere. So now that you've created some long form content or even short form content for shorts, you've simultaneously created content for Instagram, TikTok, your threads, Twitter, LinkedIn posts. The opportunities are endless. The vertical video format is basically universal across all platforms right now. So by optimizing your workflow to churn out these bite-sized, engaging videos from work that you've already done, you are completely optimizing your multi-channel presence without doubling, tripling, quadrupling your workload. Awesome. So what that means is you are showing up everywhere looking like you have this massive production team behind you while keeping your actual production time down to a fraction of the cost. Here's a quick example of how I do that. Here is my long video I made for this YouTube demo situation I did. I upload this to a clipping tool. I use VEED. There are a ton of different tools out there you can use. This is just mine, and I will link it down below if you want to give it a shot. But anyway, I upload it here and boom, it creates me a couple really good options and even ranks the most engaging ones as well. So it just makes my life 10 times easier, and I have a lot of good clips just off the bat. So let's talk about how we actually do this fast without losing quality. You don't need to sit down in front of a camera and record a new 60-second clip. Look at the assets you already have. Do you host a weekly podcast? Do you do an internal webinar for your company? Do you have any long-form content just sitting around in an archive? Have you hosted a Zoom interview or a presentation recently? Inside a 45-minute podcast, webinar, long-form content, there are at least 5 to 10 gold mines of content. Your job is to go in with a scalpel, find that juicy little bit, whether it be a great stat revealed or a burning question answered, and clip it out. But to make this strategy work, you do need a frictionless workflow. Let's go in with these steps. First, audit your inputs. Make a list of your regular long-form content sources. So if you do a weekly team call or a client Q&A, start recording them with tools like Granola or even just recording your screen so you can track where to find some of your short-form content. Second, identify the hook. When you're viewing your long-form footage, look for the exact moment the energy shifts or a profound conclusion is reached. Or even better, cut the editing time in half and use the tools that cut the fluff for you. Your shorts need to start directly on the action or the question to grab someone who is scrolling by in the first 2 seconds. Third, make templates for your outputs. Look at these. Don't spend hours redesigning subtitles or text styles for every single short. Pick a clean, highly readable aesthetic for your captions, lock them in, and use the exact same framework for every video you export. You can make this easier by using tools that host brand kits for you like VEED, or have your brand kit, fonts, logos, and such already in a folder to make your editing experience so much easier. By removing the creative decision-making from the editing process, you turn your repurposing into a system. So a system that now takes minutes, not hours. Take a look. At the end of the day, growth in modern content marketing isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. YouTube Shorts are a very powerful tool, but only if they serve your broader strategy and don't drain your limited time. Start looking at your long-form content not as a single upload, but as buried treasure waiting to be broken down. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button for more content strategies, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!